Joyce again here at Delightful Quilting and Sewing. So I finished the last little pattern, and then all of a sudden I couldn't move my machine backwards or forwards, only just a little bit. And it stuck right here, pretty close to the front rail, and it won't go back. So I took it off to the side, and I'm looking to see what it is. I could hear something underneath a little bit. And if you look back in there, underneath the axle, way back in there, underneath, it's actually under the back axle. One of my axle bolts came loose and fell down, and it's caught on top of the Quiltmagine on top that sits underneath my carriage. So I have a little bit of an interesting challenge here. Somehow I need to get in there and get that bolt. So I think I'm going to take something that's long and flat and try and lift that up so that I can pull it back. And obviously I need to check my bolts. So this is just a good reminder to, on a regular basis, check the bolts, the axle bolts on your machine, to make sure that they are not coming undone like this one did on me. So have a great day. See you soon.